नारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं अच्युतं केशवं सत्यभामाधवं माधवं श्रीधरं राधिकाराधितम् इन्दिरामन्दिरं चेतसा सुन्दरं देवकी नन्दनं नन्दनं सन्ददे अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं विष्णवे विष्णवे शङ्खिने चक्रिणे रुक्मिणी रागिणे जानकी जानये वल्लभी वल्लभायात्मने कंसविध्वंसिने वंशिने ते नमः अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं कृष्ण गोविन्द हे राम नारायण श्रीपते वासुदेवार्चिता श्रीहरे अच्युतानन्द हे माधवादोक्षजा द्वारकानायका द्रौपदी रक्षका अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं राक्षसा शोभिता सीतया शोभितो दण्डकारण्यभूपुण्यताकारण लक्ष्मणेनान्वितो वानरैः सेवितो कस्य सम्पूजितो राघवा पातु माम् अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं रेणुकारिष्टकोनिष्ठभिर्वेशिनं केशिहाखं सरिद्वंशिका बालका पूतना गोपका सुरजा केरनो बालगोपालका पातु मां सर्वदा अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं विद्युदाद्योतवन्तास्फुरद्वाससं प्रवृदं बोधवत्प्रोलसद्विग्रहं वन्ययमालया शोभितोरस्थलं लोहिताङ्घ्रिद्वयं वारिजाक्षं भजे अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं कुञ्चिते कुन्तले प्रोजमाननं रत्नमौलिं लसत्कुण्डलं कण्ठयो हारकेयूरकं कङ्कणाप्रोज्वलं किङ्किणीमञ्जुलं श्यामलं तं भजे अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं
Translation. We have one more. After this, let them continue. Loudly.
केशव राम नारायण कृष्ण दामोदर वासुदेव हरि श्रीधर माधव beautiful by far. who conquers everyone, who holds the control and the truth, who is dear to Rukmini, who is the consort of Janaki, who is dear to Gopi, who is offered in sacrifice, the supreme soul who destroyed Kamsa, and who slayed the food. O Krishna, O Govinda, O Rama, O Narayana, who is the consort of Lakshmi, O Vasudeva, who tames the treasure of Lakshmi, O Achyuta, who is immeasurable, O Madhava, O Adokshaja, who is the leader of Dwarka, and who is the protector of Draupadi. May Radhava, who disturbed the atheistic practices of the demons, who adorned Sita, who is Dandaka for its purification cause, who is accompanied by Lakshmana, who was served by monkeys, and who is revered by sage Agastya. O Lord, please protect me. May baby Gopala, Krishna, who was unfavorable to Dhenukasura and Ardhishtasura, who destroyed Keshi, who killed Kamsa, who played the flute, and who got angry on Putana, always protect me.
I sing praise of Achyuta, who is adorned by lightning, like shining yellow robe, whose body is resplendent like a cloud of the rainy season, who is adorned by a wildflower garland at his chest, whose twin feet are coconut colored, and who has lotus-like eyes.
I sing praises of that Shama, whose face is adorned by falling locks of curly tresses, who has jewels at the forehead, who has shining earrings on the cheeks, who is adorned with finger of flower garlands, who has a resplendent bracelet, and who has a melodious anklet.
Shri Jagannatha Leeladri Shiro Mukta Ratna hai Saru Brahman Karan Shyama Prasida Purushottama Prasida Purushottama Shri Jagannatha Leeladri Shiro Mukta Ratna hai Saru Brahman
Jagannatha, Jagannatha, Jagannatha Namostute. Jagannatha, Jagannatha, Jagannatha Namostute. Jagannatha Namostute. Translation. Although it appears to be made of wood, and whose appearance is like that of a very great cloud. O Lord, please be merciful to me. O Lord Jagannatha, your lotus eyes have blossomed wide open, and you appear to be nectar washed up on the shore of the saltwater ocean. O monarch who enjoys multi-facious royal pleasures, and whose waist is decorated with pearls. O Lord, please protect me. O Lord, Jagannatha, you are pleased by the worship of King Indradyumna, and you grant to the devotees the prasada, which appears to be nectar coming from your own lips. O younger brother of Balarama, who earnestly takes care of your sister, Subhadra Devi, I offer respectful obeisances unto you.
O Lord Jagannatha, with the Rath Yatra journey to Gundicha and other festivals, you increase the happiness of the devotees. O decoration of the Rath Yatra chariot, O Lord who is very kind and affectionate to your devotees, I offer respectful obeisances unto you.
O Lord Jagannatha, your mind is moistened with kindness to the poor, miserable, abandoned, and destitute greatly fallen souls. O Lord, the sight of whom and the glorification of is ever fresh. O Lord, who is very dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I offer respectful obeisances unto you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Please give a big round of applause for our Krishna Pankaj students. Thank you so much. And now we have a sloka presentation